What is this? Wow. May laman. May nangalkal na dito. May nakita akong ganito oh. Pagkain ng aso. Okay. May laman siya sa loob. Pasukin natin. Kunin ko yung ladder. Ang layo naman ng ladder na yan. Huwag ko nang kunin. Dito na lang ako dadaan. Dito nang tayo dumaan. Layo ng ladder ko. Akyat. Ay. Yeah. Okay. Pasok. Amoy Clorox. May Clorox. Ay, tinapon yung Clorox. Ano to? What is this? May nakabox pa. Diba? May laruan. Pwede. Yeah. What's this? Microwave. Cover to the microwave. Okay, happy Valentine. Oh, that's Christmas. Oh, I'm thinking it's a Valentine. I think it's a heart. Oh,
Halloween.
okay. Try to open. What is this? My gloves is too big. Ano to? Oh, Quaker oatmeal. Okay, you need this one, be. Look, oatmeal. Ito. What's this? Avocado hot sauce. You want grab some this? Snowball. Uy, sunflower seed. Oh, shoot. No, it's not open. Oh, shoot, Terry. Aba. Sunflower seed, oh. Oh. Yan pa naman yung madalas snack namin. Oh, this one open. Sunflower seed. Yan ang snack namin sa trabaho. Sunflower seed. Meron pa dito. Ito pa ba oh. Oh. Yung ano ko, yung ano ba to? Yung GoPro ko bumababa. Maluwag. Ikutin natin itong sunflower seed na ito. Uy, ito ata butas. Hindi naman. Yan po. Ano to? Oh. Yeah, that's for the drinks. Ito pa oh. This one? Okay. Oh. Kunin ko yung mga sunflower seed. Kailangan namin to. Ayun oh, ang dami. Uga Benadryl. Let's see, maybe expired. Yeah, expired. 9/24. Yeah, expired na yan. Huwag tayong kumuha ng gamot na expired. Ay, basa na siya. Basa. Sayang. Ay, basa. Hindi ko na yung kunin. Basa siya. Wet. Pero basa yung plastic. Give to you. This flavor chili lime. Okay. We still got more here. Get some box. Kunin mo na itong laruan. Mabash na naman tayo nito, be.
I don't need that.
No? Sabi. Okay. They're gonna say, why you digging the basura? Why you get some food from the trash? You need to find some job. That's what they... this is a job. Okay. Let's see. Maybe get some different. Maghanap daw ng trabaho. Trabaho kaya ito? What?
Don't do that box up here.
Oh yeah, got gums. Yep. Got one more.
Alright.
Got one more right here. Oh, what medicine you said?
That's dispensing that one there.
Oh. Oh, okay.
That's serious medicine.
Yeah, like this. I can use this to the cat. No? Yeah. Mom Clara, we give this to Mom Clara too.
We gonna keep that.
We'll keep for ourselves.
That pits, man. Yeah.
Yeah, Band-Aid. Say chocolate Band-Aid. What the word? Okay. Think that's it. Yep. Wait, got one more gum. Oh. Okay, dokis. Saan? Oh. Tingnan nyo itong sunflower seed, oh. Chili lime flavor. Diba? Oh, kut-kutin sa trabaho. Tingnan nyo, January 2025. Sunflower seed lang yan. Hindi yan expired. Siyempre, hindi talaga na ititinda nila. Okay, let's go.
Only in the United States.
Look at this. Electric fan. I don't know if it's brand new. But we get this. It's brand new, look. It's clean. I hope it's work.
Even if we don't, we can break that down and send it.
Like,
somebody get that work.
Yeah, Philippine can fix that.
No problem.
What we got here? We got big cabinet drawer. Let's see what this one inside the black bag. Whoa, foods. Tingnan natin to. Ito food siya. Basura. Trash. What's this? Broke. Oh, big boxes. What's you got? Nothing. Wala to be, lahat to basura. This one is too heavy. Trash. This too heavy. I can't move it. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Tingnan natin sa ilalim. Baka tinakpa nila. Wala man. It's nothing. No. Just boxes. Okay. Wala. Let's go.
What about these?
The other side.
Is there already?
There's nothing over there. Yeah.
Vegetables.
Yeah, some fruits. Oh, got something. Ayun. Ano yan? Here we go. Jackpot. Ayan. Tinatakpan nila eh. Holiday pretzels. Galing. Okay. What else? May sapatos doon, no? What kind of... right there, the box.
Magnet box?
Yeah, this one. Maybe this... got something too. Oh, got one more right here.
Yeah.
Oh, got chips. Yan. Ba? Aba. Got shoes. May partner ba yun? Wala. Let's see.
They have a lot of juice in it.
Well,
Like juice, like dirty juice.
oh yeah, I see.
You see more shoes?
Yeah, just one shoes.
What is this? Alec?
Wala.
Dito.
That's empty bottle.
Got some in there, boss.
Maybe that's ihi. Come on. Yeah. This one. 1, 2, 3. Ang bigat naman. Yeah. Let's go. Hello mga ka-subscribers! Kamusta po kayo? So hali tayo mag-shoutout and birthday greetings! Yes, if today's your birthday, happy birthday! More birthday to come! And happy wedding anniversary to Giselle Manawis and Jessica Aludo. And birthday din ata ng kanyang pamangkin at ng kanyang anak ngayong January 12 and January 13. Ayun, happy wedding anniversary and happy birthday! Welcome na rin po natin ang ating mga new subscribers. Welcome po sa aking channel. Shout out to Marites Orogo. Hello po, watching from Albay, Bicol. Oy, maray na pagkaaga po. Shout out to Helen Angela Fronda, Edeline Ramos Shawararat, Dalen Del Rosario. Shout out to you. Shout out to Raquel Salcedo. Hello. And shout out also to Miss Jocelyn Castro. Thank you so much, Miss Jocelyn, sa iyong pa-super chat sticker. Shout out to Farah Anion, Cecil Gasingan, Susan Goro, Marites Ayora, Emily Valsote, hello po, Joanna Fernandez, Miss Gina Vego de la Torre, Miss Nene, shout out. And shout out also to Romel de Guzman, Nancy Sidaya, hello. Shout out to Marite Urugon. Ayun, naulit lang pala siya. Shout out to Virginia Reyes. Tama ba? Virginia Reyes. Haller. Aisa Apolonio, Aisa Mariano, Lori Concepcion, Bernadette Tison, Ara Magistrado, Manay Sophia, Leia Nuque, Miss Leia Beludo. Shout out to Teresa Manuel, Sunjoy Mika, Miss Jessica Magbanwa, Miss Vivian Cortez, hello, Antonia Garcia, Nanay Bebe, Karin Agbayani, Ate Sheila Balute, and shout out to Miss Chris Montero, Nanay Mer Nagabay, no, shout out. Basiaw Vlog, hello, Mari Chris Napaw, Caballero Catherine, Mari Chris Entero, Rosalila Consay, shout out. At kung meron man ako nakalimutan, pagpasensyahan nyo na. Diyan lang muna kayo. Enjoy watching. Shout out everyone. Oh lala mga ka-subscribers. So ito yung aming mga nakuha. Tingnan nyo to, sunflower seeds. O diba? Pag lunchtime ko, pumupunta pa ako sa gas station para bumili ng sunflower seed. Kasi habang walang customer, nagnungot-ngot. Halos lahat man kami ng mga katrabaho ko, ito yung favorite time. So, dadalhin ko po ito sa aking work, sa asawa ko din sa trabaho niya. Sunflower seed. Nakalagay dito ngayong January. Pero okay lang yan, uy. Hindi man yan expired. Pwede yarn. Tapos, ito po, meron tayo ditong cranberry almond instant oatmeal. Ilagay lang yan sa microwave. At meron tayo ditong pagkain ng aso. Yung isang box nito, dinala ng biyanan ko kasi may aso siya. So yan, nakalibre na ng pagkain ng aso. At meron tayong snowballs, donut. At meron po tayo ditong chips. Tingnan nyo to, oh, pretzel. Christmas holiday pretzel chips. At ito naman ay chicharon crackling strip. Ang tigas nito. Pagkatapos mong makain ito, wala ka ng ngipin. Ang tigas nito eh. Kasi nakatry na ako nito. Ang tigas niya. Kaya siguro walang bumibili. Tapos nakita ko yung date niya is March 2025. Ito pa. Isang box pa dito ng chips. O, diba? Madami yarn. Ang dami na namang harbat ng asawa ko. Oh, meron pa pala ditong gums. So, yan lang po yung aming mga nakuha. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. So, don't forget to like and share and good vibes comment. Mabel Slots Vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. Salamat!